Hi, this is Jodie from VIVE Cooking School. In this video, I'm just going to teach you about bain-maries and double boilers. Okay, so in front of me here, I have a pot of boiling water that's boiling really rapidly. So I'm just going to pop that down onto a simmer, and that's anywhere from a medium to a medium-high heat. And then that's nice and simmering now. So you can see the bubbles are nice and little and just moving along very nicely. Then we're going to pop our chocolate, and I've got a little bit of cream inside there just to make a nice caramel chocolate sauce. Okay, you can do this for on glazes, for melting just normal chocolate without making a ganache, so to say. Anything that needs sort of a really delicate heat into it, then you can do this for custards as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to slowly mix that together, and that will start coming together to make that chocolate sauce there. So you just put it like that. You can see that it's nice and melted. Especially with chocolate, you don't want to mix it too early, otherwise it's going to seize up. So once that's nice and incorporated, we can just slowly mix that around and we'll have a delicious chocolate sauce. If you're not going to use this straight away, I recommend just turning that water underneath down to a very low, gentle heat and leaving the bowl on top of here. It should last for a little bit on top of there as long as you're going to use it within the next half an hour or so. And there we have our caramel melted chocolate on top of there. So this technique here is called a double boiler. So if you see in a recipe anywhere along the way, if you're doing pastries, it comes up quite a bit, but sometimes when you're doing savory food as well, it might come up, especially for things like hollandaise sauce and stuff like that, you'll do this specific technique. So this is double boiler, okay? Another technique I want to show you using the same pot underneath, it's called a bain-marie, okay? So we have our water in here just at a nice simmer, and this is used for holding items. In this case, I've got my chocolate sauce, which I just pop into there. Just make sure you're using anything that's heat proof. You don't want to be using anything like glass that isn't heat proof, otherwise it will crack and break in there and create you a lot of problems. But this here will keep that sauce at a really nice even temperature. If you find that that's getting too hot, you can always just adjust the heat accordingly. It does matter how much you have in there to how high that temperature might need to be. Okay, I hope this answers any questions regarding to double boilers and bain-maries.